Do you want to see what elegant and luxurious single-family double-story villas in Bangkok look like? Starting from $300,000, come with me. The house I will show today is called Grand Britannia Bana Camp 12. This is Origin Properties' new luxury single-family villa project in Bana area with modern British style. It's conveniently connected to the city and is only 15 minutes away from Sukhaphiban Road. It's also close to Mega Bana, IKEA, and other large shopping malls. It's only 7 minutes away from community mall, fresh food market, international schools, first-class hospitals, and Suvarnabhumi Airport. The warm and elegant guest dining room and kitchen are waiting for you as soon as you open the entrance door. The design of the living room is full of dimensions. The overall style is more transparent and welcoming. The grandeur within represents impeccable manner. The sofa is a perfect touch that can better reflect the style of the entire living room, not to mention the elegant chandeliers. All the elements combined in the kitchen depict a surreal lifestyle. Top-notch quality tableware and magnificent Western-style kitchens reflect the pursuit of quality of life. Who doesn't want to be here for an afternoon tea? The Thai kitchen has left a lot of space to let you imagine freely. I have to stop and show you the scenery outside the kitchen. I'm intrigued by the fragrance of nature and can't stop to enjoy the rare comfort inside such a busy city. Open the door of Thai-style kitchen and you will come to the nanny room. The nanny room is located near the kitchen and the elderly room. It's convenient for cooking and take care of the elderly. The design of the elderly room is unique. In addition to the modern style, it doesn't forget the needs of the elderly. The scenery outside the window of the elderly room is quiet and pleasant. For the elderly, safety and convenience are the top priority. The biggest highlight of this room is the safer glass. Sliding doors, safety armrests, and sitting beds are more suitable for the elderly to use. The level of attention to detail really shows the designer's effort to look after every family member inside the house. Next, we come to the second floor. The second floor has a master bedroom and 2 secondary bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms can be divided into a boys' room and a girls' room. The design of the boys' room is more sci-fi and imaginative, which can better inspire the boys. The curiosity is reflected in every aspect of the overall simplistic design. The design of the girls' room is warmer, and the visual optimization of gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows and the embellishment of bed lines and desk lights makes the room more spacious. Dressing room, bookshelf, dressing table, and separate bathroom altogether maximize the use of the space. The girls' room is connected to a very idyllic sunroom, which is a good place for the family to read and have a cup of tea. When we enter the master bedroom, the first thing that catches the eyes is the large room design that offers enough space for you to imagine. Elegant and exquisite. The window sill can be divided into 2 different sections. One part can be used for reading and resting. The other part can be used for home office. Creativity is not only demonstrated here, but the dressing room and bedroom that go really deep, which fully achieve the best use of the space with such unique layout. The design of the dressing room is more simplistic, yet still luxurious. The distinctive light belt is the icing on the cake. The smart toilet, bathtub, and the humanistic design of the sitting beds are fully nobility and uniqueness which encompass all your fantasies about the master bedroom. Then we come to the second floor living room. There is a small detail. The living rooms on the first floor and the second floor run through each other, making the room even brighter and more transparent, which creates more sense of space and layers. The multi-window design guarantees the maximum lighting of the room. Simplistic yet still represents an incomparable taste. Dazzling and eye-catching bookshelf with a bit of leaf embellishment. Lively and graceful. This is the ultimate version of lifestyle. Alright, that's it for today's content. If you're interested in learning more about this house or have questions in general, please leave a comment or direct message me. Don't forget to follow me, and there will be more beautiful houses for you to see. I'm Cherry. See you next time.